I'm actually calling on behalf of my wife, who was traveling from England to Belfast. Went through to a shop. I'm not going to name the shop, and somebody told the sales assistant that one of the boys in there, in the shop, was shoplifting. And then my son, being a mixed race, one of the sales assistants went straight up to my boy and said, "You've been stealing something. Can we see what's in the pocket, please?" And of course, the boy opened up the pocket. There was nothing in it at all. He hadn't stolen anything. And my wife sort of complained to the manager, and the manager said, well, the sales assistant had followed all the procedures and everything. And eventually, my friend rang or complained to the director, and then they owned up and said that, well, the boy had been falsely accused, and they offered £200 as a complete. I'm just wondering, Daniel, whether £200 is maximum you can get from that, or is there anything you'd like to do?
Hi, Guy. How much do you think it's worth?
Oh, I don't know. I really don't know, Daniel. I don't know. I mean, the boy had been falsely accused.
Right. Can I just check this? You said England to Belfast. I can advise on English law. If it happened in Belfast, I don't know anything about the law in Belfast.
No, it happened in England.
It was the England side. Good. Right. There's nothing your son can do, is the very short answer. Let me tell you why. He wasn't arrested. If he was detained...
No, he wasn't arrested.
Sorry, was he arrested?
He wasn't arrested.
No, he wasn't arrested.
No.
If he was detained or placed under citizen's arrest by the security guard, he would have a claim for wrongful...
It wasn't actually a security guard. It was a sales assistant.
Right, sales assistant. He would have a claim for wrongful imprisonment or unlawful detention. But he wasn't arrested, so that's not a course that's open to him. In theory, if the sales assistant had shouted this out publicly, "Stop thief," then there's a really small possibility that your son might have a claim for defamation, being called a thief in front of other people. So first of all, was this done in front of other people?
Yes, it was done in front of them. As it happened, there was actually a barrister there that took everything, witnessed it, and she recorded everything, and she's also written to the director to say that boy was just picked on because of his colour.
How interesting.
Of his skin.
Yeah, okay.
Very interesting.
So in theory, there could be a claim here for defamation. There are two difficulties. Difficulty number one is there's a defence to a defamation claim called honest belief. And if the shop assistant honestly believed on reasonable grounds that your son might be a thief, then that's a defence. And if someone tipped off the shop assistant that he was stealing, as you said at the beginning of the call, the shop assistant is going to have reasonable grounds. So I don't think there's a defamation claim. Even if there was, defamation claims cost thousands. They're one of the most expensive types of litigation. And there's no financial loss here, just a bit of an injury to feelings and upset. So legally, I'm afraid there's nothing. If the shops offer £200, I'd grab it, Kai.